Today we are going to draw a super cool tow truck. Grab your paper and marker and let's go! First, let's draw the front part of our truck where the driver sits. Draw the front bumper. Now let's add the back box type thing. This is the strong truck bed. Beep beep! Our tow truck needs a special light on the very top. Let's give our driver a big window to look out of. And don't forget a little rectangle for the door handle. Next up, let's add the headlights. Now for my favorite part, the wheels. Let's draw one big circle in the front and another big circle in the back. Put a smaller circle inside each one. Our truck needs to be strong. Let's draw the towing mechanism on the back bed. Finally, let's add the heavy hook at the very end to help lift up broken cars. Coloring time! First, let's use yellow for the top light. Next is gray. Color the little light base, the inside of the wheels, and the big strong hook gray. Now let's take orange. Color the middle wall behind the driver and this little part right above the hook orange. Time to color the big crane arm on the back a beautiful bright pink. Orange. Now fill the headlight and inside of the crane with bright yellow. Next up is green. Color the big front cabin where the driver sits and the tiny tip of the crane arm green. Now let's grab red. Color the whole back truck bed a big, bold red. Next, color the big front window blue, like a clear sunny sky. Finally, let's use black. Color the two big round tires black. Roll, roll, roll.
it's done.
Bye, friends. Let's meet in the next video.
And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos.